So for checking in, we parked along this wall for valet for now. And then we're gonna go over here. First impressions, it looks cute. There's the trolley that takes you to Universal. So they have a little shop too. And there's our little fountain. So yeah, we're gonna go this way to check in though, but look at the shop. And then there's like a little bike there. So valet is definitely here. Parking is not cheap, I'll tell you that much. I think it's like almost 40 a night. So there's several buildings, and the one that we are in is called Portola, which I will show you guys in a second. But it looks like it's 5-6 stories. Very easy and quick to check in. Staff was friendly. Let's go. Let's check in to our room. Here we go, Portola. Like, got a nice little bench in. Oh, are we gonna be able to key access? All right. Go in. And then there's a telephone to the desk. Nice little view of the area. Let's go. A little art here. This is our first time staying at the Garland. Excuse the hair, it's been a rough day. Excited to stay here though. Let's check out our room. So excited. Alright, we are 5, what? There's no one. 554. Let's go. So it's indoor. So like a hotel and not a motel. Very interesting. Room 554. Oh my gosh. So she told us that we get a wellness room, and this is what a wellness room is. You get a Peloton. Oh my gosh, you get to work out with the Peloton. Look at the screen. Okay. Oh my, no, they tell you charge, but look how nice it is. Like, I'm just like, let's do this. Hi, my name is Sandra. Welcome to my hotel, my room for the night. I really wish we had brought workout clothes because look, not only do we have the Peloton over there, we have weights. Hello, weights. You have the yoga mats. You have the resistance bands, and then like, oh my gosh. She is We're gonna go to the bathroom. She's like, you can sit down in the little corner. It's a glass. Oh, okay. And then they give you.
Why is there a hole in my shower?
I'm not sure why that is, but they give you hair wash. They give you body wash and cream rinse. Okay. Mint thyme flavor.
This is like scent. European shit. Cause look, it doesn't close.
Oh. Okay.
It's just a drain.
Oh, okay. Because it's in there. Can we just talk about? But look, there's a close-up mirror. Like, hi there. You got some towels. Your usual water faucet. Easy to do. Yes. You got a nice little face soap there. And then exfoliating body soap and moisturizer. Kleenex. Okay, let's see. How does the toilet sound? Sounds okay. I would say this is a 1-ply, so you're not getting nothing too crazy here. And more towels. This is a sliding door. There you go. And then as soon as you get in though, this is what you see. You see a little coffee bar here. I had too much coffee today, so I'm not gonna drink any, which is kind of sad because it's right here. It's a Keurig that you get to use. There we go. And then, ooh, some wine here. You got your nice little, different flavors. Dark roast donut shop. You got your creamer, your sugar. There's also tea, calming chamomile, and English breakfast black tea. So there's that. And then here I am again. Here's our closet. There's a safety deposit box, a place to put your suitcase. You got hangers, you got stuff up here, room, there's emergency. Okay, so they have a bag. Oh, there's a steamer. Okay, cool. They have jacuzzis, they have a pool, they have a fitness center. There's more to see. And then also in the room, okay, so here's the cost for the items. A bottle of water is $6. Red wine is $24. White is $24. But it's a fridge, so you can put your stuff in here. You got that, and the coffee maker. You have your alarm. Here is, they do give you a couple glasses, especially if you're enjoying your vino. And then here's your ice bucket too. I didn't see where the ice bucket is, but there you go. What did Madison find? Madison found something. Okay. Okay.
You all fall asleep to waterfall noises?
I do. Oh.
Forget to change the noises.
Oh, that's amazing. This is the wellness suite. I'm just telling you. So again, here's the Peloton. Here's your temperature control. Another mirror. Appreciate that it's not an oval because portals, if you know, you know. You got a nice little place to put there. Let's see. Where can we plug in? That's volume for this. So it's an alarm. Okay, what do we have? We have a plug-in. Do we have USB? Yes! Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So this one is the same. You have the plug-in right there and the USB.
It would be. You can just sit out here.
Our nice little porch area on the 5th floor.
That gives me anxiety though, because we're like all the way up.
But it's a nice, oh, that breeze feels so nice. Where was this breeze earlier? It was so hot when we first got to Universal. I was melting. This is amazing. Love it. And then look, little cute porch chairs, and it's 70, like the 70s deco vintage. Here's another view. So yes, it's just me and my daughter Madison. So we got the one king bed, which it's so huge. There shouldn't be an issue for either of us. And then over here is our flat screen TV with more cubby holes to put things and drawers if you want to put your stuff in there. That's there. Again, wellness suite. There's stuff to work out with. So crazy. Never had one of those. And then over here you have a little working area or, you know, breakfast area if you want to enjoy your coffee or whatever. And then here's another chair over here. And then see, it's just all like 70s deco. I don't know why deco is the word that comes to mind. Air conditioning thing is down here, but the temperature control is on the wall. And then they have a charge port here. How cool is that? So you have the two plugins right there, right? And then you have your USB ones, tablet or standard. So there's that. And then over here, you have like different foods to eat. They do have a restaurant. We're probably not going to eat there, to be honest. We don't have plans to, because Freddy Fazbear at HHN, and you know, if you don't know, and we're here for HHN basically, on a day of Universal. And then here's the breakfast menu, 7 to 11. And she was saying you can buy, you know, a la carte, that sort of a thing. So just a quick menu here. Oh, welcoming us, sending us a welcome text message there. And then I guess, I don't know, should I be surprised about what the TV is going to have for us? It says it has Netflix, so we'll see if that's the case. And
where did it have Netflix?
it shows the button here. Let's see what happens when I hit Netflix. I hit Netflix. Ba-bum. Oh, you have to log in. So we're not gonna sign in, but it's here if you want to. But if you do sign in, just make sure you like log out afterwards. So waking up the next morning, bed review, perfect, so comfy, so comfortable, slept so good. I was so tired too, so that probably helped. But the bed was very, very comfortable. Even the pillows, they're kind of one of, I don't know, like, I don't even know to describe the texture. It's just kind of like it molds with you. I don't know, but it was comfortable. We used the Peloton yesterday. We had to sign up. It was quick and easy. Signed up, did a workout real quick. It didn't last too long because I haven't cycled. But bed, comfortable. The shower worked great. Warm water, it lasted, and the products were not bad. The products, I ended up using the shampoo, which was fine. I didn't bring my own, so that worked out pretty good. But overall, I love the room. It's big, it's spacious, the fridge works, the TV is great, a lot of lighting. We have mirrors, plenty of mirrors, especially if there's several of you getting ready. You know, it helps. It makes a difference. That's what I've learned. But I love it. I am loving to stay here. It does get a little bit noisy. I've noticed with the neighbors and stuff. It seemed like they were trying to slam the glass door or something. You hear kind of movement. It's a sold out night. I mean, it's fine. Still was able to sleep and get a good night's rest. And I love the bed. The bed was so comfy. So yeah, after HHN, I'm going to be definitely passing out in that bed tonight. Good morning from the Garland. We're heading downstairs. Shh, it's like so quiet in here. We're going down the elevator. Let's go see what we can find, and then we're gonna head out for our breakfast today, which is gonna be a separate video. No issues with the elevator. That was nice. In the lobby. Alright, we're gonna go out here. And it kind of rained this morning. Slightly. Our car is okay. Nice view. Oh, right there. There's a spider right there. And then this way. So food portales right there. And they have Alamos. They got some bench sitting areas over here. Pretty nice. Cool. So here's our pool entrance. Nice area. Quite a bit. It's not bad. Good sized pool, lots of tables. They have a bar, it looks like. So that's even nicer. Entrance for El Dorado if you end up staying in that building. And then over here it's like a courtyard. Oh, it's a mirror. Look. Hi guys. So this is the lobby bar that way. And this is the courtyard. So it says please seat yourself, no outside food or drink. And then these are tables and stuff, but they got a little fountain here. It's very calm, overlooking. Got rooms up here, and it's just a courtyard. Very nice. Oh, look at the sign over here. I think this is where, yeah, this is the lobby. There we go. And then there's a little sitting area over here. You want to go to the gift shop? This way. They have a shop right here. Let's pull. Let's go. So books and bears. You want a bear medicine? It's a toothbrush one. And then look, they got some fun drinks. They got ginger. We drink Olipop. They got waters, milk. Look, they got sludge kits. Oh, look, they got honey. Need sunscreen, hand creams. So quite a bit of different things. They got some candles. Some game, playing cards, if you need some shave cream and that stuff, they have all of that too. Candles, oh. Quite a bit of different things in here, to be honest. And then they have little crystals, glasses. this will lead us back over to the pool area. So each building has its own name. Here's our hedge mirrors. My birthday girl. So there's the pool entrance there. And then we're in Portola building, so we're going this way. So this is our building, Portola. It's towards the back, very nice. Like I said, it was just, you could hear people moving around, trying to close the door and stuff, but overall nice. Here's the trolley schedule. So it's at the top of every hour until 10 p.m. So the hotel does have a trolley that takes you from here to Universal. We're about to take it. It runs once every hour at the top of the hour until 10 p.m. I'm not sure about the first time. Universal typically doesn't open early compared to like Disney. So yeah, for HHN, we're gonna have to drive, but let's go find this pickup spot. So it's right in the front of the lobby. We're just gonna go here. There's the trolley. And that's the time that we're leaving, about to leave. Needs a little work. So they also stop at the metro station, which is our first stop right here. And here we are, pulling forward. That's pretty much parking lot. So we are over by, I don't know where. That's the entrance over there, security, so it's kind of on that side. It looks like it's right by Tilly's area. So the drop off is over by Tilly's area and then parking lot. So it's time, but we're over by the Tilly's area. Dodger store is right there, the clubhouse. So we're just waiting in this general area. What I've noticed, it looks like all the tour buses tend to be over here. So we're just waiting for ours to get here from the Garland, and it takes 15 minutes. I know that when we left about 5-6 minutes after 1 o'clock or noon actually. So it's gonna take, they should get here about 2:15, and then we'll head back and we'll get inside the hotel, and that's how their shuttle service works. There it's coming, it's that white one right over there. So yeah, we're all heading our white bus, our white shuttle. Here we go. Got here like at 2:10, which is a few minutes early, but it's gonna leave at 2:15. So it makes sense. 5 minutes to board and then 5 minutes to leave. Well, it's checkout day, and I can tell you that the Garland was a comfortable stay, very close to Universal. They had a trolley. We also, you know, we drove and I parked there for HHN. But our stay was just so great. Everybody that we encountered was just very nice, friendly, helpful. And the room was just amazing. Love the view that we got. We love the room, the space, everything about it was just comfortable. I definitely would stay here again. And my list of hotels for Universal that we stayed at, I actually would put this at #1 above the Hilton, then the Sheraton, and then that awful hotel we stayed at last year. Never again. You can watch my videos if you want to know why. But yeah, it's been a great stay. So I hope you guys found this video helpful for your trip. I recommend it. I really do. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next semi-enchanted adventure. Bye for now.